Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy. Hey everybody, welcome back to Cars and Joshy. On the episode where I installed the fuel tank, I said I had some options now that the fuel tank was in there, and I could either throwing the whole car back together and having a driver and working my way up from there, or continue working on the Restomod on it and get it where I want it. So I decided to go ahead and continue the Restomod and the restoration. So my next phase is going to be Drivetrain. So I have a 5.3 right there that I pulled a few years ago, and I think I'm gonna go up to something bigger, either a 6.0 or 6.2. Probably going to be the 6.2, like an L92 or something. So I'm gonna look for that. But before I worry about the engine and stabbing the motor and transmission and stuff, I think there's a few things I can do on the front end, and so I'll take you over there and show you what I'm talking about. So here's the front end stuff that I said I still had to do, or that I still can do before I start working on engine transmission stuff. All of the front steering linkage here, I've got a brand new set from Spone Performance, so that's all what's in this box right here. All new tie rod sleeves, all of that stuff. So there's that, and then I have the front sway bar from UMI, and then the chassis reinforcement brace from UMI. I need to install both of those still. I think that's where I'm gonna start before I do the the steering. But I'm actually gonna have to drill it out and tap it, and then put some Loctite or something. But not all G bodies came with this chassis or reinforcement bar, so I'm gonna have to make holes for it to mount right there. So I'll have to throw it up here and scribe it or something. I'll have to look and see which one I can do first, either a sway bar or the reinforcement bars. I don't know if one interferes with the other, so I'll look into that real quick and then start from wherever is best. And then once those two are on, I'll get the steering linkage done. Short video tonight. I guess I'll
See you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching Cars and Joshy. Josh out.